um, you're not staying focused on your journey. Hi guys, my name is Dinaz, and in this video, I will be sharing 10 ways to stay accountable for your own weight loss journey. Until and unless you're not accountable for yourself, you will not be getting the results. Stop running after coaches and trainers. Even though I'm a coach, stop running after coaches and trainers. Stop being dependent on them. Be dependent on yourself, because the more you're dependent on yourself, you will know the importance of what you have to do and you will never slack. Learn to keep yourself inspired and motivated. When you keep yourself inspired and motivated, you're accountable for yourself. This journey can get very lonely. And in this lonely journey, motivation and inspiration is very important. In this lonely journey, you need to keep yourself accountable. So here are 10 ways to keep yourself accountable for weight loss, health, fitness, whatever it is, anything to do with this space. Number 1, first thing is make friends with your scale. Don't look at your scale and then go, oh no, not again. Make peace with your scale, make friends with your scale. Sometimes you don't want to climb up on the scale, which is okay. You don't have to climb up every day and check your weight, because every day you're going to lose even 1 gram. It's a journey, it's a process. Fall in love with that journey and fall in love with the process. Sometimes you might want to, this really works. Sometimes you might, really want to, supposing you want to achieve 60 kilos. You take a small piece of paper and write 60 on it and put it on the display bar of your display space of your weighing scale. And then you climb up. When you look down, it's not 70, it is 60. So what happens is you're kind of making friends with your scale. When you start making friends with your scale, you're relating to it in a better manner. When you relate to it in a better manner, you get better results. Keep a tape measure with you. Number 2, keep a tape measure with you always ready. Sometimes you might not lose weight in kilos or in grams. Sometimes some people get a lot of inch loss. And when you see yourself every day in the mirror, you might not see those results. You might not see the change. So therefore, it is very important for you to measure your progress. Take your weight and measurements on a regular basis. Number 3 is for you to keep yourself accountable. Keep a food diary. Often we think, oh really, this is what I ate today and it's pretty healthy. And then the next day goes pretty healthy. Okay, not bad. And at the end of the month, you've not got any results. You will begin to realize that obviously the calorie input was more than the output, or it was the same. Now, when you track your progress and you write down your food that you're eating every day, you'll start realizing that, oh my God, did I really need to eat these 5 almonds? Did I really need to have this extra cup of coffee? Or did I really need to have this muffin? It gives you an overview of what really is going on. Number 4, for you to keep yourself accountable, save your skinny clothes. Sometimes we grow out of our clothes. Save your skinny clothes, you will be able to fit back into them after you get the desired results. Number 6, be steady with your diets. I do understand that it's not easy, but at the end of the day, diets do play a role. So just go easy on that. Number 7, have a big picture in your mind. Have that big vision, the big goal that you have. When you have that big picture and the big goal in your mind, even when you want to slack, you will not. You will keep yourself going. You will run after the results rather than being slack. Number 8, track your progress. Use a Fitbit, use a smartwatch, use it, do right manually, whatever works for you, but do it. because that's what gives you the results. That's what keeps you accountable. That's what keeps you on track. Number 9, create your own reward program. Supposing you've lost 1 kg and supposing you've lost 5 kgs. Tell yourself that if after I lose 5 kgs, I'm going to go to the mall and buy a t-shirt or buy a pair of track pants or whatever. But keep yourself rewarded. Pat yourself on the back and say, yes, even if you have to lose 25 kilos, you've lost 5 kgs, guys, that's good. Pat yourself on the back and say, yeah, I did it. I achieved my results. And last but not the least, point number 10, if you find it really difficult to do this journey on your own, find an accountability partner and go through this journey with somebody else. And if you feel that you don't have an accountability partner, be part of a mastermind group of like-minded people who are on the same journey as you are, like a closed Facebook group or whatever works for you. And when you're there, you keep yourself motivated, you'll keep yourself accountable. So do whatever it takes, follow these 10 tips and keep yourself accountable, because you have to learn to become your own coach. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe and share the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and keep yourself accountable.